Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name is John McDonald and today we're going to look at something really straightforward. It's how to wrap a plant. So I've got this beautiful orchid here and we got this from the wholesalers. So it comes wrapped like this with its price, and there's different ways that we can approach this. So the first thing that I would want to do is take this price off, and actually probably the easiest way to do that is just to cut the cellophane. And that solves that problem. Now, the orchid's beautiful and this wrap is actually quite nice. It's clean, it's in good condition. So I'm very inclined just to leave the orchid in this as it is. If we try and get it out, there's a danger that we're going to damage the flowers or we're going to damage the plant. If we cut it out, even then, we're still going to damage it. So this is giving it a bit of protection that I think is worth keeping because this is not unattractive. So you're going to wrap it in such a way that you're maybe wanting to just wrap the plant, or you might want to add a pot. Great thing about adding a pot is it does give a lot of stability. With these orchids, they tend to be a little bit top heavy. So a simple pot really does help this become very stable, and also it's a finishing touch as well. If you give someone the orchid just as it is, then it feels like it's not complete. But let's have a look at how we would wrap this. So we need some cellophane. Now, there's lots of different cellophanes out there. Because we've actually got this clear cellophane, we can actually wrap lower down rather than higher up. So what we'll do, we'll cut ourselves a bit and we'll have a little look. So it's really worth getting yourself a pair of scissors that is just for cutting ribbon or just for cutting cellophane. If you start using your normal flower scissors, they'll just get too blunt and you'll just end up making a mess of the cellophane and wasting cellophane as well. So for wrapping, you want a rectangle, and if we just look at this, you want to think about the top and the bottom. If I go above there, then I can bring more up at the bottom. If I go lower down, we're protecting more up here, but we're actually hiding this a little bit. So I think what we want to do is we want to just have that below and then work on that angle. So what we can do is we can bring the cellophane across and then up and over and then here. Now if you want, you could do some different things. That's quite nice. But if you really want to just make it very secure, you would just wrap right round like that. But I think if we come back, actually, it's quite pretty as well. So we've got our wrap, and it's essentially like a cone wrap. What we then want to do is just sellotape that off. So just a little bit of sellotape is going to do the job. And now we can look at a ribbon. So I have this really nice ribbon. Now we could do a line from here to here, or we could just come round and do a bow. What is quite nice actually is to make a couple of loops like that, and then we can actually just staple this. So all I've really done is create a couple of loops on our ribbon with a tail, and then we can put a sticker or a card or anything onto this section here just to finish it off. So in a way that's giving a little bit more of a modern approach. Now if you wanted, you could then put it into your pot and do a little bit more wrap if you want, or you can always gift wrap your pot separately. The choice is up to you. So I hope you found today's video interesting and informative, and if you want to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here to subscribe.